Learn French to fight age-related cognitive decline. So we all know people are old, people who are senior, and we've been noticing that age-related cognitive decline it affects different functions. So the first one that is probably the most common is the memory loss. I mean, you can see that people at a certain age, maybe they've got some difficulty. They're struggling a bit to with certain memories and things related to the past. It's not as fluent as it used to be before. The other thing is the decreased, of course, of verbal fluency. It's a bit more difficult to produce maybe some more complex structures. And then vocabulary tends to narrow little by little. It's another thing. And the last one would be the difficulty, or you can see that the speed to process information tends to be reduced. So these are classic things that are basically related to the age and I mean, signal of the cognitive decline. The interesting thing when we talk about learning French or basically learning a foreign language is that adults who speak two or more languages tend to perform better on a variety of cognitive tasks. So if you ask somebody to do something where you need to somehow think a lot, then the concept is that somebody who has been learning languages, and we're talking about two or more languages, will maybe perform better or faster. I mean, these are some studies, and basically it's extremely interesting. The other thing is that adults who speak two or more languages will show less cognitive decline as they age. So it means that if you learn French, I mean, more generally, if you learn a foreign language, one or two, let's be generous, or maybe three if you want. The first thing, you will perform better when it will come to solving some solutions, solving some problems, solving some things that will, have to involve a bit of brain work. And then the second part, as we saw, you will show less cognitive decline as you will age. And this is incredible.